I find it inconceivable there aren't other civilizations out there somewhere.
We live in a universe so immense, with countless galaxies each holding billions of stars. It's almost impossible to think we're truly alone. Yet within our own Milky Way, we've heard nothing but silence. Could it be that intelligent civilizations exist out there, yet none are close enough for us to ever know?
I find it inconceivable there aren't other civilizations out there somewhere. The question is how far, really? Do they overlap in time, and how far do you have to go to find one? And if it's true that we're the only civilization in the Milky Way, in a sense, I think that's all that matters to us, because I don't see any chance of civilizations crossing between galaxies. I just don't see it. So, and that's just the way, one example would be the way that relativity is, even without wormholes or anything like that. Just special relativity, Einstein's theory of special relativity tells you as you go close to the speed of light, let's say you launch from the Earth and accelerate such that at some point you're traveling, let's say 99.999999% the speed of light, because I know this number. So if you're going at that speed, then the distances between the galaxies, let's say the Andromeda galaxy, that shrinks by a factor of 7,000. So the distance to the Andromeda galaxy is no longer, from the point of view of the spacecraft, is no longer 2.5 million light years. It's 2.5 million light years divided by 7,000, which is still not enough, right? But you can, as you approach close to the speed of light, that factor can become arbitrarily large. According to just physics, if you could do that, you can travel between the galaxies. But you've got to travel extremely close to the speed of light in a human lifetime. The limit, by the way, in relativity, which you can't, but if you were to travel at the speed of light, then the distance shrinks to zero. The closer you get to speed of light, from the point of view of someone in the spacecraft traveling between the galaxies, the more the distance shrinks. The flip side is that time passes more slowly on the spacecraft relative to the person on the Earth, and so you can, all those things. So I wouldn't claim the laws of nature as we understand them stop you traveling between galaxies. But the challenge of traveling very, very, very close to the speed of light, I think it looks impossible from our perspective.